Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I was gonna start this video off by telling you guys that I have three very disturbing pranks to tell you, but these are not pranks. These are criminal acts, and these people all got what was coming to them. So let me start with the first one. So do you see this grocery store with the empty meat department? So this woman decides to go into the grocery store and start coughing all over everything. She coughs all over the meat, all over the produce, the fruits, the vegetables. Then she goes to the bakery and starts coughing all over the baked goods. Well, to make a long story short, the employees of the store had to clean out and empty $35,000 worth of food. Yeah, so a lot of people have lost their jobs, don't have any money, any income, not knowing where their next meal is going to come from. And this idiot goes into the store, this grown woman. Actually, she was arrested and she's under some kind of mental evaluation. This is not normal. So she was arrested, but $35,000 of food is in the trash. And before I tell you the next two stories, I just want to tell anybody who's listening who think that you are so far removed from this virus. There's so many pranks going on and so many jokes. Do you guys know that if we were not all on house arrest, under lockdown, most of the world, do you know if we were not under this stay-at-home advisory, that most of the world would have this virus? About 90%? Do you know how many people would be dead? So you people who think you are so far removed from this virus and you're making jokes about it, I hope you get it. Is that wrong? I don't care. Am I a perfect person? No, but I'm a just person and I love karma. That's for sure. So, okay, now on to the next story. I'm going to show you her picture in just a minute. So the next story, this idiot on social media decides to he decides to do for his channel like a coronavirus challenge. You're not going to believe this. So he starts licking toilet seats for his channel for views. And guess what? He got the coronavirus. He has it. Now, I don't know if he got it from the toilet seats. I don't know. But is that not karma at its best? Literally? What an idiot. So many people have lost their jobs. So many people have died. People are dying right now as I'm speaking in emergency room hallways before they make it to the room. And all of you people who are making this a joke, and all of you people who are not taking this seriously, all you people who are invading my space, you know who you are. I'm sorry. I don't wish death on anybody, but I do hope you get the coronavirus, and I hope you suffer a little bit. People are suffering, trying so hard to stay healthy. People have lost their jobs, people have lost their lives, people have lost their loved ones. And you idiots, you guys are the ones that deserve the coronavirus, not these innocent people that are trying so hard. I truly believe that. And the next one, the third story. The third story, these people decide, these young kids, they're kids, I have to maybe make excuses for them, they're teenagers, decide to have a coronavirus party just to go against all the rules, everything, right? So they have this big party, and at least one of them so far does have the coronavirus. So I'm telling you guys, like I said, if we were not under house arrest, this would be spreading like wildfire. Everybody would have this. If we were not under house arrest, basically, 90% of the world would have this virus. Okay, what are the chances of me getting this virus? I'm trying to stay really, really safe. I have to go out. I have to work. I work with about 20 people. I don't know who those 20 people come in contact with. They pass by me 30 times a day. The chances of me getting the coronavirus is 40%, 50%. I could get it. Thank God I'm healthy. I have no underlying illnesses. But I'm sorry, I'm going to show you the picture of the idiot who's looking at the toilet seat. I'm going to show you the picture of the idiot who was coughing on the food. But basically, I don't care. Every idiot who is not taking this seriously, I hope you guys get the coronavirus.